Good afternoon. My name is Roderick McKinsey, and this is my auto report. So, based on this report, I am comparing two funds of the Fidelity branch. It's the Fidelity Automotive Fund and also versus the Gold Fund. So, with these two funds, I was given a chart with statistics from years 2001 until 2016. So that's pretty much 16 years of data that was recorded from the both automotive fund and the gold fund. And based on the data I received, I realized that both of them, the goal behind this all, of course, is to compare and contrast and see which one would be the better option. And based on the information I received, as far as the mean goes, the mean for the automotive fund is 14.35%, compared to the gold fund, which is 12.226%. So clearly, the automotive fund has a larger average than the gold fund. So that's one advantage the automotive fund has. But if you dive a little deeper, looking at the median, the median of the automotive fund actually is 4.995%, whereas for the median of the gold it is 24.96%. So that's a huge difference as well. So that's actually points now for the gold, and based on that statistics alone, it shows that the gold is more, I would say, steady compared to the automotive, right? So I would say it's less risky, and the reason why it also is less risky is because the standard deviation is much better as well. For the automotive, the standard deviation percentage is 39.84, whereas for the gold it is 31.83 percent. And just diving into the margin of error, pretty much with the 90% confidence level, this is what concludes it all. I don't want to go over time, so I want to get straight to the point. So to conclude it all, if we look at the marginal error or the range for the automotive, it is between negative 3.11% and 31.81%. So that's the range for that one. As compared to the gold, it is negative 1.7%, which is the low, and then the high is 26.21%. Based on those numbers that I just quoted there, those percentages, they actually overlap, and because of that, it's hard to really recommend or choose one over the other. It's actually impossible because they overlap. But based on the data that I received, of course, the standard error and the standard deviation, and also looking at the mean, I would conclude and personally go with the gold, because even though it isn't more profitable, it is more secure. Because if you look at, like I said, the standard deviation is a huge difference as far as the standard deviation goes. So as far as if you're looking for security, if you want to make sure, like, hey, like, is this a good choice as for stability, I would go with the gold fund. So I'll end my oral presentation there, and have a good one.